Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Dr. Neerah. Today we'll be talking about diabetes. First, I would like to introduce what diabetes is. So, let's head to the video. So, firstly, let's talk about what diabetes is. Diabetes is a health condition where your body has trouble controlling the level of sugar or glucose in your blood. It happens because of the problem with the hormone called insulin, which acts as a key to help sugar move from your blood to your body cells that can be used for energy. Okay, so the important thing here to pick on is insulin. All diabetic patients, the reason why they are diabetic is because they don't have that hormone, or maybe the hormone is weak. That means it cannot take the sugar from the blood to the cells. So that is where the problem comes in. If the insulin cannot take the sugar, because we eat sugar every day, our rice, our food, carbohydrates, they all contain sugar. So if insulin doesn't have the power, or if it is a dead hormone that cannot take the level of sugar, the sugar from the blood down to the cells to convert them into energy, that is what diabetes is. That is what causes diabetes. So the sugar remains in the blood and it starts destroying the body system. That is how it happens. So anybody that has diabetes, they have problem with insulin. They have problem with insulin. Yeah, so that's the definition. So you eat food, it turns into sugar and it stays in your blood. So now your body is supposed to produce insulin that will help. Insulin is supposed to help take away the sugar from the blood and now put it in the cells, because the insulin is like acting as a border. That's the one that used to carry the sugar from the blood and now put it inside the cell, so that it will not convert it to energy. Alright, so there are two types of diabetes. The two major types of diabetes is type 1 and type 2. Alright, type 1 diabetes usually starts in children or young adults. The body doesn't produce insulin at all. They need injection to survive. And type 2 diabetes is common in adults, but nowadays we used to see it in small children, young people. The body either doesn't make enough insulin or cannot use it properly. It's often caused by lifestyle, weight, or family history. Some diabetes are hereditary, some families already have it, so some of the children might have diabetes. Or sometimes the food we eat, so much sugar, all this ice cream, chocolate and everything we eat, they have sugar. And imagine the body doesn't make enough insulin to convert the sugar, to take the sugar to the blood cell and convert it into energy. It stays in the blood, and the cell that is supposed to give energy start getting weak, and that is where the problem is. And sometimes overweight causes diabetes. When someone has too much weight, the insulin is actually there, especially fat around the belly side. The insulin is actually there, but the cell refuses to open for the insulin to transfer sugar from the blood to the cell that is going to be converted to energy. That is how it causes diabetes. Yes, when somebody is overweight, you have too much weight, the door of cell might close automatically, and over time the pancreas gets tired. Okay, I'm going to talk about pancreas in my next video, so kindly subscribe so you get a notification when I post the video. So if not controlled, diabetes can lead to heart problems, kidney failure, blindness, nerve damage, or amputation. Yeah. So, and but the good news is that it can be managed, in the sense that type 2 can be prevented in many cases, because you can just check out and try to, you have to limit your sugary things intake, have a good diet, and maintain a very good weight, because being overweight can cause a lot of damages to the body. So try to exercise, try to take food, and yeah, most times those supplements, they actually really work too. All right, so if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share please, so to get to people that actually need this information, even if you don't. And yeah, it will be helpful to them as well. So please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also add in the comment section if you want any information. Yeah, I'll reply you. Thank you.